Malachi, you ready for a nap?
I'm sleepy.
Aww.
This has been a hard day of pictures.
Well, it started out hard, but then all of a sudden you said, okay, let's do pictures.
Oh, I think I hear treats, so I think that's going to change the whole story. Maybe not.
Oh.
Is those it?
Do you like treats?
Oh, those are yummy.
They are.
Can you say my name for me again? I get confused.
I think it's Malachi.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh, it made you feel good.
Yeah,
Malachi.
I think it's the treats that are making my tail wag.
Oh.
So, did the crazy lady tell you how she got lost when she went to come pick me up?
No, what happened?
She got lost and I kept telling her it was the wrong way and she wouldn't listen.
No.
Oh, hi.
Oh.
I got distracted.
Yeah, I see that.
And but we finally made it like 2 hours later.
I know, but you were over an hour away anyway.
And then she got lost.
There.
And it's funny.
It is funny.
More treats.
Okay.
Hi, people. Come take me home. Oh.
Okay,
Oh.
well,
Here's my butt.
we're about done anyway.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.